So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Google as your default search engine in your Google Chrome browser. So let's begin the video without any further ado. But before we begin the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's dive into the video. First of all, go to your Google Chrome browser and go to the three dots and scroll down a little bit. Here you can go to settings. Here you can see search engine. Click on the search engine. Here you can see Google, Yahoo India, Microsoft Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. Just click on the google.com and your default search engine is set to Google. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates of our channel. Till then, thanks for watching.